What up mga solid subscribers, no? So ito guys, meron tayong papanoorin guys. Ito, she is a Brazilian Taiwanese, I think, ano siya fan siya ng K-pop talaga, no? So, baka napanood niya ang SB19, Summer, or kung saan. Pero pakinggan na lang natin itong kanyang reaction or yung kwento niya regarding dito, no? So, a very big shout kay Miss O, no? Sa kanya po ito nanggaling tong video
Do
na to,
think
no? Okay, tara, panoorin natin to.
SB19's stage presence is equal.
This Brazilian Taiwanese reaction to SB19's Akon performance as a K-pop stan. So here's the reaction of a foreign casual who is a Stray Kids and 80s fan to SB19's live performance on Akon 2025.
So, Stray Kids and 80s kaya. Ano? Isa?
80s fan to SB19's live performance on Casual who is a Stray Kids and 80s fan
Oh,
to
80s fan guys, no? So, guys, ano siya, legit na K-pop fan po talaga siya, no? So, tingnan kung anong reaction or comment ng isang comment ng isang legit na K-pop fan, no? Kung anong masabi niya sa isang grupo lang naman, no? Na galing sa Pilipinas na nagre-representa ng Pilipinas sa buong mundo, no? Let's go.
SB19's live performance on Akon 2025.
So back in September, when the AAA award show voting came out, Stray Kids was up for Best Male Group by popularity vote. And I thought, you know what, Stray Kids, they're having a big year. For sure, we're going to win this. However, when the polls opened, there was this group right here on top called SB19. Okay. And I was like, who the hell is... I remember when this song came out.
So,
I was
aware siya,
gagged.
no?
I was
So, aware siya, no? As in, yung kahit pala yung mga nire-release ng SB19 at as in, pag halimbawang nag-boom yung kanta, no? So, talaga nakakarating po talaga sa mga K-pop fans, sa mga iba't ibang tao po talaga, no? As in, grabe pala talaga yung reach ng SB19, no?
the sheer amount of talent. The song was so catchy. I loved how they incorporated Filipino culture into their MV. So different.
So, napansin niya, no, yung Filipino culture, no, dinagdag na lang sa MV, sa kwento mismo, guys, no. And at the same time, no, na gusto ko yung sinabi niya catchy yung lyrics, no, yung words ng kanta. Even though I'm very sure, guys, hindi niya naiintindihan yung lyrics po, no, pero the way na i-pronounce nila, I think na ulit-ulit nila yung Kento. Tapos yung every rhyming, guys, no, every sa dulo, guys, no. Talaga nag-rhyme po talaga siya. So I think na dun kahit di niya naiintindihan pero yung pinaka-rhyming, yung pinaka-catchy phrase or mga words, no, talagang nagugustuhan niya, no, yung arrangement talaga.
From any other like Asian pop that I've seen. And that was even before I got into K-pop at all. So back then I was just like, if this is like the new wave of East Asian, Southeast Asian pop, I could get on that. But it also meant like low-key.
So okay sa kanya, guys, no, kung halimbawang sumikat ang SB19, no, so good sa kanya kasi na-appreciate niya yung talent, nakita niya yung talent, no, as in yung kung paano talaga mag-release ng proyekto ang SB19.
Low-key, maybe I wouldn't have minded if Stray Kids lost to them in like the popularity vote. It would have been certainly very, very interesting to see. And before I went to the AAA and Akon, I literally like my whole goal was to see Stray Kids and to see ATEEZ. But I was low-key really looking forward to SB19 as well. I've never seen them live. I don't think I listened to another song by them besides Gento. But I don't know. It might be not great for me to say because I am a stay and I'm also an 18E. But I do think SB19's stage presence is equal to, if not just a little bit more impactful than my two old groups. Stray Kids.
Grabe, no, as in solid fan siya, guys, ng dalawang K-pop group na yun, guys, or ng mga K-pop groups na sinusuportahan niya, no? Pero sa kanya mismo nanggaling, no, na halos kapantay ng SB19 yung stage presence stage presence ng grupo na sinusuportahan niya, no. Tapos if not nga daw, no, baka mas higit pa ng onting-onti, no, 'di ba? Ganun kasolid po talaga, grabe, no.
And 80s had the most hype stage of both days. So Stray Kids was the last group to go during AAA, and they wrapped it up perfectly. Like they were the high note of the entire show. And ATEEZ was also like the perfect cherry on top for Akon. However, SB19 was up there. So they were the only other group where they asked the crowd to stand up, and everyone stood up, and it was just like how concerts used to be without, you know, everyone standing still on their phones. It was great. The whole atmosphere was great. The whole vibes, like, I loved it. And the thing
So
is,
talaga yung performance na SB natin, ini-include talaga nila yung crowd, no. As in, talagang perform kang perform, no. So, yun yung nakita niyang difference, no. Yung ibang mga grupo, as in concert lang, okay, sige kanta. Pero yung SB19, i-include nila yung mga crowd, no. Pinatayo pa talaga nila, no. As in, kumbaga may audience interaction po talaga.
they're among all these really, really popular K-pop groups. Okay, like both boy and girl groups. And they're not that mainstream. And they're not, you know, one of the groups you'll bring up when you're talking about like big boy groups. But I do think talent-wise, they might beat out half of all the groups who attended the shows last weekend. Also, every one of the members are very hot.
Grabing compliment yan, guys, na. Kumbaga, mas angat yung SB19 para sa kanya, opinion niya, mas angat yung SB19 kesa dun sa half mismo nung mga nag-perform that night, no.
And
Half na mga,
they all
kasi
have
50%
like very
ng performers, no.
distinct looks, and their dancers are also very hot and very good dancers. Their dance moves are just so completely different from right now what it seems like very stagnant dance styles in the K-pop world. Anyway, I'm just gonna
Yan. Meron akong may share dun, guys, regarding dun, na nabanggit niya yung dance style, or I think pinakamaganda is yung choreography, no. So a very big shoutout syempre kay Sir J, no. So sa mga hindi nakakalam, guys, no, yung the way na mag-choreograph talaga Sir J ng yan sa SB19, no. Actually sa ano talaga, sariling style niya, no. Ibang-iba po talaga, no. So pag gumawa siya ng choreography sa SB19, talagang ibang-iba, no. Bago sa mata, kahit ako, guys, nung una, to be honest with you, nung una, sabi ko, parang hindi to yung ginagawa ng mga normal na ano, no. Pero alam mo yun, bigla akong naisip din na pero mas okay to kasi mas magiging unique yung approach ng SB19 pagdating sa choreography, no, which is, 'di ba, marami na parang pag gumawa ng sayaw ang SB19, no, together syempre with Coach J, no, talagang nagiging catchy siya, talagang nagugustuhan ng mga tao, no, guys. To be honest with you, sobrang unique ng style ng pagsasayaw ni Sir J, no. So, syempre, I think yung mga wala masyadong experience sa sayaw, hindi niyo mapansin niyo. Pero sa yung mga talagang may experience talaga sa pagsasayaw, no, mapapansin namin yung sobrang unique ng galaw ni Coach J, no. So, a very good choice by SB19 na kumuha sila ng isang choreographer na talagang pati sa choreography sa pagsasayaw is napaka-unique, no. Solid.
the K-pop world. Anyway, I'm just gonna insert a clip of the concert right here so you can see for yourself. I didn't really record the whole thing because I was too busy dancing. But yeah, I did get a clip of like the beginning of their first song, and it was amazing.
SB19! This is ugly, but alam mo naman, I like it again. Cause I'm icy, kahit na ano pa yung combine me. Basta na natutuwa pag may dumating, nang naitin na kulang ako kaligin. Sa positibo ay
damn. Stage presence nila, grabe talaga. Solid as in, no? So, binidyohan niya, no? So, I think alam niya talaga na meron siyang kakaibang mapapanood, guys, no? So, ayun. Grabe, no? Siyempre, coming from a mga fan, no? Actually, I'm not sure, guys, kung naging fan na siya ng SB19. Pero I'm pretty sure, guys, sa mga compliments niya, I think naging fan po talaga siya ngayon ng SB19 po talaga, no? So, siyempre, even though she is a Brazilian or Taiwanese, guys, no? Doon makikita na talagang nakakaabot na po ang SB19 sa iba't ibang sa iba't ibang mga tao. Hindi lang sa Pinoy, guys, no? Sa iba't ibang bansa po talaga, no? Solid ng SB19, no? So, yun, sana marami pa tayong makitang mga ganito, no? Na dinidiscuss nila, no? Yung mga kanilang interaction or reviews or thoughts regarding sa SB19, no? Kung paano sila mag-perform. Kahit di sa performance, kahit sa dance choreographies or sa mga music videos po nila, no? So, yun, very big shoutout sa inyong lahat. So, guys, huwag nyo kalimutan syempre mag-leave a like, subscribe, and kaya na ring na notification bell, guys, no? Para alam nyo po pag nag-release ng bagong video, no? So, yun. Thank you so much, guys. See you sa next video, no? So, this is Point of Pen signing out. Peace. Let's G.